I'm Ron Anderson from the Landmark Beatrice location, and we're talking about maintenance points today on a 70 series machine. First point I want to talk about is the reel pump Zerk that greases the reel pump bearings. And then right up front behind this shield is the feed accelerator grease zerk is right here. The grease zerk for the final drive is right there. Another grease location that nobody really sees is this one right here on the back of the primary countershaft gear case. That lubes the primary countershaft where the splines where it comes into this pulley. There's a cool little grease zerk up in the vertical auger gearbox. You can see it shining right there. It's kind of an interesting one to get to. Another grease point is right here on the slip of the drive shaft. So pointing towards the left side or the right side of the machine right now. Then you have an opportunity a grease zerk here on the rotor drive sheave, and then manually you need to take the plug out, put a zerk there, and grease this side of the sheave, and then put the plug back in. This grease zerk here is for the horizontal unloading gearbox. And then you have a grease zerk right here for the discharge beater. And coming back up front, we have a grease location for the left-hand cleaning fan bearing. As we move to the rear, our last grease zerk over here, well, several. You have grease zerks on the spindle, there and up here. And then there's a grease zerk on the bottom of the tie rod, a grease zerk for the wheel bearings. The last one on this side should be the chopper left-hand bearing, right here at the bottom.